Hey y'all, Rhonda here. So excited, it's almost Christmas. Yay! Get a few days off. So excited, so excited. And I'm way behind on my advent calendars. There's a project here that I'm working on where I opened up the last bit. I have to finish that up. Working on some, these things. Lunch bag albums and different things. Anyway, all kinds of fun stuff. So, guess what? Yes, I received a box all the way from East Sussex from Miss Lisa Horton. Excuse me, and I am so excited. And if you don't know who Lisa Horton is, then you need to come out from under your rock. She is probably the hottest thing there is out there in the crafting world. She is phenomenal. Let me tell you. I will link her information below. Oh, look, that's so cool. Look at the postage on there. It's the Queen. I just think that's cool. Anyway, and I'll have a full video on all things Lisa here before long. Hopefully having a few days off, I can get some things done. So let's open this up. Excuse me. Anyway, she is a very talented, very, very talented woman. A heck of a businesswoman. She is a friend. She is phenomenal. She is just out of this world. I just can't say no good things about her. I'm trying to get all of this out here. Okay. Almost there. Almost there. Okay. Ta-da! Okay. I have hauled some things before on Miss Lisa, and her interference inks are to die for. Interference meaning that it changes colors. So on this side, you'll notice how there's two different colors on the covers. So this side is going to be on white. This side is going to be on purple. This side is going to be on white. This side is going to be on black, which is purple. Here you have the blue and the pink. And this you have kind of a, well, it says cherry bomb shimmer. So kind of a cherry color and then a purple. And then this beautiful, it says opal blush shimmer. So a real pretty kind of turquoisey and then a real pretty blushy. And then ripe mango shimmer. So it's a yellow and then a green. So we will swatch those out. So you can see what I'm talking about if you missed my last video. And then Miss Lisa has wax. I mean, what does she not have? She's talking about one-man band. I mean, she's got it all going on. And then she has some phenomenal things coming out for 2025. And then I'm going to see her here in a few months, and I'm so excited. But she has some metallic wax. This is bronze rose, so we will swatch that out. And then you know how I'm a pen person. So Lisa Horton Crafts fine liner pens, 25 or 24 vibrant colors. So we will try those out. And what do we have here? Her embossing folders, stencils, and dies are just like no other. I mean, really. So this is a zinnia. So you have your embossing folder, and then you have a die. And then you have layering stencils. And this has 5. Some of them have like, I don't know, 10 or 12. I mean, the detail you get is phenomenal. This is rose butterfly. So embossing folder. So this is just the embossing folder, and then this is the stencil. And this one has, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stencils. So you get a lot of detail with that. Excuse me. Then, what do we have here? The Ultimate Matte Accessory. Perfect partner for your Ultimate tools. Designed to work with, okay. So this, I'm going to show you all of this too. This all works together. Anyway, I'll show you that when I do all things Lisa, because she has, yeah, just phenomenal stuff. I'm all in a tizzy. Okay. And what is this? Oh, and then we have tape. Let's say exactly what it is. No. I don't have an invoice to tell me. But anyway, so this is tape that I will be using on my journals. All right. Let me get a swatch book out and we will swatch these interference inks so you can see what they're about. Okie doke. So I have is this Canson? It's a mixed media. Yeah, Canson black drawing, actually, book. And then I have just a piece of white smooth cardstock that I put on here so we can actually compare, so you can see what it's like on black and on white. Let me grab this. Hang on. Where are you? Hang on. So this is another Lisa product. And so it's a non-slip ink pad. Ink holder, I should say. And these come in really handy. I may not have room right now because I have so much going on my desk, and I don't want to clear it off yet because I have too many projects going. So this just fits right here, non-slip, and then when you take the lid off, the lid just fits right there, and so you're nice and neat and tidy. And when you're getting ink on your brush, you're not having to hold and, you know, all of this stuff. And so here's another one that can hold right there. But since I don't have the room right now, we are not going to use this. We will be using it though. Set that to the side. Okay, let me scoot you in. Hold on there. Okay. All right, so this is, let me go ahead and label this one. I got this is a diamond press. This is acrylic paint marker. So it has a brush tip and then a fine tip. And I'm sure, being acrylic paint, it should write on this. So this is going to be, yeah. And this is Cherry Bomb here at the top. And these are actually cleaned. Of course, they're just stained. But look at that. Look at that color. Isn't that beautiful? All right. I'm going to load up my brush. And look at that. And we're just going to continue over here. These are so creamy. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, oh, oh. Love these. I mean, they are just so creamy. Oh, excuse me. All right, sorry about that. You know, the blood sugar thing. Dropping like a rock. Okay, so this one is the right one. This one is going to be, get down here a little bit so you can see, Opal Blush. Look at that. All right. Some ink on here. Let's just start on the white so you can see what it looks like. And then let's go into the black. Oh my goodness. God, these are so creamy. Are these not crazy? Okay, then the next one we have is Ripe Mango. Okay. Oh my goodness, look at that. Ooh, and oh, the crowd goes wild. All right, let's go on the white first. So we have that beautiful mango color. And like I said, it's just like butter. And then let's go on to, oh my gosh. And you see that? Isn't that beautiful? Oh man. I'm just kind of at a loss for words. I just love all things Lisa. All right, this is warm chestnut. Okay, so let's see what this one will do. Oh, look at that. That is deep and beautiful. All right. So that's a beautiful like plum. Look at that. Oh. Let's go on over to the black. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look how pretty that is. Let me scoot you down just a little bit. Man, this is probably one of my favorite colors on the black there. Wow. And we have one more. This one is Teal Twist. All right. Oh, wow, look at that. Didn't expect that. It's kind of, looks like an evergreen. All right, let's load this baby up. We're going to start on the, oh my gosh. Look at that. Wow. Just look how creamy that is. I mean, that's like smearing butter. All right. And what's it going to do over here? Oh my goodness. Scoot you down a little bit. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This teal is to die for. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I think this is my favorite one. Yep. My favorite one so far. What do you think about these? I mean, let me know. I mean, is the crowd going wild? Yeah, it is. Oh, love, love, love. All right. Now we need to try this wax. I haven't tried this yet. Where is my little spatula? So again, this is bronze rose metallic wax tin. Let's see. Ideal for use on your cards, embossing folders, and more. Great to use with clay on MDF and on different colored cardstock. All right. And that's what that looks like. There's no smell to it whatsoever. Wow. Okay. Let's see, did we use this for anything? No. Shall we try it with a brush? I mean, it's wax. It's like, kind of like men's shoe polish. Yeah, I think we need to use what God gave us here. Oh, that's pretty. That definitely is a bronze rose. And again, very creamy. Let's try it on the black. Ooh. Look at that. You see the shimmer? That would be great to ink edges and age something. I was trying to see if I had something. Let's see if we could do this. Oh yeah, look at that. It adds a little something to it. Yeah. Oh, that's going to be a lot of fun in journals. And it comes in lots of different colors. The wax does. So this is going to be a must. Loving that teal. I mean, teal to purpley color. Wow. Wow, wow. And look, that dries just almost instantly. Wow, wow, wow. And these, they're all dry. Wow, wow, wow. All right, let me get a white piece of paper here. Let's try some of these. Let me scooch it back just a little bit. Let's try some of these pens. Oh, these are very thin. The barrel is very, very thin. When I say fine line, oh, that's pretty. Look at that. Oh my. Let me scoot you in just a little bit. Come on. Let me get out several colors here. Blue, I got out a green. What else? And an orange. Wow, wow, wow. These are very vibrant. I wonder, do I have a piece of vellum? I need to test that. I think that's the one I did. Here's a green to see if it will go through. Well, these are fantastic. I mean, they are ultra fine, bright colors. Let's do purple. I'll be carrying these with me a lot. And did we do this blue? Yeah. I think we did all the colors that I picked out. Did we do the orange? Yep. Those are nice. Those are very nice. Yeah, I was wondering if I had, and I don't. Just wondering if they would go through. I can't believe I don't have a piece of vellum or something. You know, like a tissue paper, like Bible pages. That would be interesting. Let me scoot you back here. Oh, there's Boo Boo Kitty. Let me see if I have something. Hang on here. Hang on. Okay, I found a piece of, this is that Tim Holtz collage paper. I just wanted to see how it would act. On this paper. No, it really, I mean, I don't think it really goes through. That's a dark color. Let's see. I mean, it doesn't bleed through. I mean, it shows through because it's so thin. But doesn't bleed through. So I bet you could use these in Bible journaling. I mean, because it doesn't tear the page. It doesn't, like I said, it shows through just because, you know, it's a dark color. But it doesn't like bleed through. That's interesting. I may have to get another set of those. Yeah. All right. Well, this was just a quickie I wanted to share with you. Like I said, a lot of things from Lisa will be coming up. And we'll be working with these beautiful embossing folders and layering stencils. And be using some of this ink with them. And making some beautiful things. All right, well, let me know what you think about this stuff. And have you tried it? Are you interested in trying it? Let me know. Until next time, bye for now.